What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another small review. We're here at KURUMA Imports yet again at this beautiful JDM Wonderland. My good friend George, once again, we're coming to review another great vehicle. If you guys have any questions for KURUMA Imports, remember the description below has all the info, phone number, address, anything you need to ask him regarding any of the vehicles that are for sale. So let's jump into it. We have a great review today, and man, I can't wait to review this car because this is pretty cool. All right, boys and girls, so we have a Nissan Silvia, mostly known in America as a Nissan 240. Obviously, this one came straight from Japan with a white body from, this is a Rocket Bunny wide body kit, obviously. And we're gonna go over this kit because this kit fits amazing. And we're gonna go over the engine because it has a very special engine. But man, let me tell you, and I want to, oh my God, these wheels are so deep. These are just Seeker wheels. These are Work Seeker. Super deep dish, and they just look amazing, wrapped on some Nankangs, and they did an amazing job with that wide body. It looks great. So let's get into all right, boys and girls, so when we come to the interior, there's really not much fancy going on other than the shift knob and the drift button there. But this interior, you can literally eat off of it. The whole interior is in perfect condition. There's nothing cracked. Like anything, George doesn't short sell his buys on cars, and this is what is available for you guys to purchase. It has the original the original Silvia rugs. The seats are perfect. There's no cigarette burns, there's no marking, there's no anything. And this just looks amazing. This interior, you can literally eat off of. The back seats are in perfect condition. Let's see if we get a shot here. There's not much lighting, but the back seats are in perfect condition. Seatbelt, everything is working great. To be honest with you, I honestly like this interior like this. I like to mod my own interior. Obviously, this has the side for the mirrors to go in and everything here perfect. But this interior is in mint condition, original stock steering wheel, and it just looks perfect. Let's jump into the engine. All right, boys and girls, so one of the main secrets that this vehicle has is that it has an S15 SR20DE Autech motor. It is a non-turbo from an S15, and by God, let me tell you, you can literally eat off of this engine bay. There isn't a single wire that's mishandled. There's nothing. Everything here is in perfect condition. We see that George did his job cleaning everything up, and I want to show you the kit, how well the kit fits. There's no sort of cutting around this Rocket Bunny kit. Once again, I'm sorry for the airplane. There's no cutting around this Rocket Bunny kit. Everything fits perfect as it should be, and it just great, man. Look at the hood here. Everything fits in perfect condition. These are the headlights that would go for that kit, which obviously would be completely different because this is, again, the Rocket Bunny kit. And we can see that the headlights have their own cover in the back there. But by God, man, you could literally eat off of this engine bay. Look how clean this is. There's nothing here you have to touch other than get in and drive. It obviously has coilovers on the vehicle all around, stock intake. Everything is pretty much stock other than the upgraded headers that we see right here. Once again, I want to admire how good this car looks. So this Rocket Bunny kit fits completely perfect. We obviously see the side marker there. We obviously see the lip kit here. When you compare it to the S14 or the Nissan Silvia, which obviously this is a Silvia, the front end is obviously a little bit more shorter than your regular Nissan. And when you add these big wheels, this big dish wheel, just how thick it is, you can say that 100 times. Deep dish wheels. I can't even speak English again. I can't speak English on any videos. So these are the Work Seekers, and look how deep that is. Let's get into some B-rolls. right, boys and girls, so that was just a small review. This vehicle is here available at KURUMA Imports. The description below has all the info, phone number, address, who your person to get in contact. George is the man. I just want to admire how great this Nissan Silvia is. This is such a cool vehicle with that Autech S15 engine. It looks pretty cool. I gotta say that I have never really been in front of a Rocket Bunny wide body kit. I've seen a bunch of wide body kits, but not an official Rocket Bunny, and it just looks amazing. You could tell when the quality's there and you get what you pay for. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Your boy is out.